Excited to know pretty successful story of Zerodha co-founders Nitin and Nikhil Kamath? Hi friends, welcome. My name is Neha and you are watching Future in Store. So today we are gonna look at the story of Zerodha, India's biggest stockbroker company and the huge victory of Nitin Kamath. Zerodha co-founders Nitin and Nikhil Kamath to get up to Rs 100 crore annual salary. The success story of Zerodha. Zerodha is a company that has made a barrier-free trading possible. It is India's first discount brokerage company. In this digital world, Zerodha has established itself in the stockbroking industry. The company has grown purely on the principle of technology by giving valuable services to its customers. Zerodha initiated its journey with a team of merely 5 people and now it employs more than 1,200 people. And that's a huge success. The unique idea of the Kamath brothers along with the great use of technology has taken the startup to the level we see it today. But do we know about its journey throughout? Let's explore. About Zerodha. Zerodha is a financial service company founded in the year 2010. It is an online discount broking company whose main objective is to give lower cost to the customers. Also, it is the member of NSE, BSE, MCX, MCX that gives brokerage services to our stock market traders. The company has its headquarters in Bangalore and it has earned a great customer base as they were the first discount broker in the country when they started that operation. There is one more thing that has made things interesting for the business and contributed to its success is that the company always comes up with the innovative ideas backed with the different strategies and regular efforts. The tagline of the company is the free trade zone. Additionally, Zerodha runs several famous open online education and community ambitions to authorize retail traders and investors. Basic salary for the trio will be Rs 4.17 crore per month plus incentive and the allowances of Rs 4.17 crore, taking the family's yearly take home to the neat Rs 300 crore cumulatively, making them the highest paid co-founders and the directors in India's startup ecosystem, the report noted. As per its website, Zerodha is a financial services company which offers retail and the institutional broking, currencies and the commodities trading, mutual funds and the bonds. It registered 15% growth in the revenue at Rs 1093.64 crore and the profit of Rs 442.3 crore in the financial year 2020. Zerodha has over 5 million active users and manages around 15% of all trading volume in the country. As India's only bootstrapped unicorn, Zerodha's founders are in a unique position. To encash on their success, they need to rely overly on salaries. We are coming off a very successful and fruitful year. Unlike other startups, we have not diluted our stakes for a valuation premium, said Nitin Kamath, founder and the chief executive of Zerodha. Also, he said, "We have no intention to sell our stakes and the only way to encash our success and get some liquidity in by increasing our salaries." The company saw massive transaction on its platform Kite in 2020 as millions of retail stock traders drawn by a volatile securities market opened their demat accounts with the Zerodha. "In our business, if markets do well, we do well too," Kamath said. "But the market is overvalued and we have to be prepared for when the bubble bursts." Zerodha wants to keep its business simple. There is no point in overspending and we want to keep our operational costs low, he said. The Kamath brothers run an investment fund called Trubicon, founded in 2009. The company has grown purely on the principle of technology by giving valuable services to its customers, and that's the reason why they are on the huge success. Thank you.